CBSE Grade 7 Chapter 9 Supplementary Reader A Tiger in the House Solution Summary and Question Answers. A Tiger in the House Summary. One day, the narrator's grandfather was walking down the forest path. His party was at a distance. He found a little tiger and brought him home. Grandfather was the only successful member of hunting party. The narrator's grandmother named the tiger cub Timothy. She brought him up on bottled milk. Later, he was put on a diet of raw mutton and cod liver oil. Afterwards, he was put on the diet of pigeons and rabbits also. Toto the monkey pulled the cub's tail. Toto climbed up the curtain when Timothy lost his temper. He and a mongrel puppy were Timothy's companion. When the narrator came to live with grandfather, he became one of the tiger's favorites. Initially, Timothy was afraid of the puppy, but finally the puppy was allowed to crawl on and rest on his back. Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk his playmate. He also made a dash at the narrator's feet. He pretended to bite his ankles. After some time, he was a full size. Sometimes he pulled hard at his chain. The narrator kept up with him with great difficulty. He reclined on a long sofa in the drawing room. He snarled at everybody. He had clean habits. He would scrub his face with his paws like a cat. He slept in the cook's quarters. He preferred to be taken out in the morning for a walk. He grew less friendly. When he became 6 months old, he also started eating small animals. A change came over him. He became less friendly, in fact, more dangerous. Then the grandfather took him to Lucknow. Timothy and grandfather traveled in a first class compartment. In Lucknow, the grandfather presented him to the zoo. After 6 months, grandfather went to see Timothy. He stroked the tiger's forehead, tickled his ear, and smacked him across the mouth. The tiger licked the grandfather's hand. It sprang away only when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. Many people watched the scene. A keeper of the zoo called the tiger bad tempered. He had no knowledge about the owner of the tiger. Grandfather wished the tiger to be transferred to some other cage. A leopard in the next cage would constantly rush at Timothy. However, he could not meet the superintendent. The grandfather returned to the tiger's cage. To say goodbye, he stroked and slapped the tiger. Another keeper observed him with alarm. He also recognized the grandfather. He informed the grandfather about Timothy's death of pneumonia. He also informed the grandfather that the dangerous tiger was trapped only last month. The tiger was still licking grandfather's arm. He was smelling fresh food. Grandfather somehow withdrew his hand from the cage. He gave the keeper a scornful look and said the tiger good night. Comprehension check, page number 60. Question 1. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged any game. The phrase in italic means grandfather was the most distinguished member of the party. Grandfather was the only spokesperson in the party. Grandfather was the only successful member of the hunting party. Answer is grandfather was the only successful member of the hunting party. Second question, complete the following sentences. Toto climbed up the curtains when Timothy lost his temper. When I came to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorites. Timothy had clean habits. He would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. Now, comprehension check, page number 64. Question 1. Grandmother's prophecy was that the tiger would prefer Mahmud bed to sleep in, and the cook could disappear together from the house, would one day make a meal of Mahmud. Second question, when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. The phrase in italics means Timothy had grown to his full size. Timothy grew more friendly. Timothy grew less friendly, in fact, more dangerous. Answer is Timothy grew less friendly, in fact, more dangerous. Right, true or false? First question is Timothy and grandfather went to Lucknow in a special compartment. False. The compartment in which grandfather and Timothy traveled had no other passenger. True. Timothy and grandfather traveled in a first class compartment. True. It is not a special compartment, it is a first class compartment. All passengers in the compartment thought that Timothy was a well fed and civilized tiger. False. Question number 4. Grandfather suggested that Timothy should be put in another cage. The reason was that the tiger had become very bad tempered. A leopard in the next cage would constantly rush at Timothy. The cage was too small for a full grown tiger. Answer is a leopard in the next cage would constantly rush at Timothy. Question 5. The tiger was still licking his arm with increasing relish. The phrase in italics suggests that Timothy was good natured, recognized an old friend, smelt fresh food. Actually, it smelled fresh food. So, page number 65. Answer the following question. First question is, where was the tiger cub hiding when grandfather found him? Tiger cub was hiding among the intricate roots of the banyan tree in the Terai jungle near Dehra. Question 2 is, what did Toto do to entertain Timothy? Toto used to pull Timothy by the tail. Second part of the question, what did he do when Timothy lost his temper? Toto climbed up the curtain if Timothy lost his temper. Question 3 is, I became one of the tiger's favorites. Who is I in this statement? Why did he think so? I stands for the narrator Ruskin Bond. He thought so because Timothy would come closer to him, roll over on his feet, and pretended to bite his ankle. Question 4 is, where was Timothy most comfortable during the day? Where was he during the night? During the day, Timothy was most comfortable on the long sofa in the drawing room. He slept at night in the cook's quarters. Fifth question is, what was grandmother's prophecy about the cook? Did it come true? Grandmother's prophecy was that Timothy would one day kill the cook Mahmud and make a meal of him. Did it come true? No, did not come true. What made grandfather decide to transfer Timothy to the zoo? When Timothy was about 6 months old, he grew less friendly and more dangerous. He chased the cats and ate up hens. He also followed Mahmud with evil intentions. So, grandfather decided to shift him away to Lucknow Zoo. Why did grandfather want Timothy to be put in another enclosure? Grandfather saw the leopard in the next cage, rushing at and frightening Timothy every now and then. So he just suggested the keeper to shift Timothy to some other cage. What shocked grandfather in the end? Grandfather was shocked to learn from the keeper that Timothy had died 2 months ago and the tiger in the cage was very dangerous. Now discuss the following topics in groups. First question is, shoot animals with a camera and not with a gun. So what will be the answer? This you can try on your own. Answer is, it is true that you cannot be friend at all sorts of wild beasts. But that does not give you a license to hunt them all for your pleasure. Animals and human beings have been sharing the earth for ages. They share our joys and sorrows. They play an important role in our existence. But sometimes for our greed we kill them. This attitude destroys nature. Had there been no animals, our life would have been worthless. Here we should not shoot them with gun. We should shoot them with camera to preserve their beauty and charm. Question number two is keeping pets helps us become more loving and tolerant. It also helps us respect life in any form. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. Man and his pets are our best friends. We often play with pets and they lick our hands with affection. Keeping pets changes our fear of animals into tolerance. We learn to respect life in every form. We learn the great lesson live and let live. Question number three is have you heard of the Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animal SPCA? What do they do? Yes, I have heard. This organization SPCA is animal friendly. It aims at protecting the animals, even tigers and cobras, from needless cruelty and killing. So, these are all the extra questions. How was a tiger cub fed? At first, the tiger cub was brought up totally on bottled milk. Thereafter, the milk proved too rich for him. Then he was put on a diet of raw mutton and cod liver oil. Gradually, he was given the diet of pigeons and rabbits. How was Timothy's companionship with the puppy? The narrator's grandfather found a small mongrel puppy. At first, Timothy felt afraid of it. He sprang back if the puppy came near him. He would dash at it rashly but soon retreated to a safe place. Gradually, they became friends. He allowed the puppy to crawl on its back and even rest there. Third question is how was Mahmud the cook attached to the tiger cub? Mahmud was a cook in the narrator's house. He used to feed the tiger cub on bottled milk. The tiger cub slept at night in the cook's quarters. When and how did Timothy become unfriendly? Timothy grew unfriendly when he was about 6 months old. The narrator took him out for a walk. Timothy tried to stalk a cat or someone's pet dog. He used to pull out the feathers of the poultry at night. Why did narrator's grandfather visit Lucknow? His grandfather visited Lucknow both to meet his relatives there and to call to the zoo. He would see there how Timothy was getting on. Long answer. What did the narrator's grandfather see at the zoo? Narrator's grandfather arrived at the zoo in Lucknow. He went to the cage in which Timothy had been interned. He saw a tiger there. He said, "Hello, Timothy." Then he put his arm to get through the bars of the cage. The tiger came to the bars. The narrator's grandfather put both hands around the tiger's head. He stroked the tiger's forehead, tickled his ears, and smacked him across the mouth. What did the keepers of the zoo reveal to the narrator's grandfather? The tiger licked grandfather's hand. A crowd gathered there. A keeper asked the grandfather what he was doing. The grandfather told him that he had gifted the tiger to the zoo 6 months ago. The keeper told the grandfather that he had joined the zoo newly. However, he knew the tiger was bad tempered. Grandfather wandered about the zoo. He returned to the cage after a little while. Again, he stroked and slapped Timothy to bid him goodbye. Another keeper recognized grandfather. He revealed that the tiger was not his Timothy. His Timothy had died 2 months ago. So that's all. Thank you, dear children.